Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, click on menu option, tap on settings and privacy, then settings. Click on see more in account center, scroll down, click on personal details. Okay, tap on account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Just click, tap on Facebook profile, then deactivate account, then continue, then deactivate your Facebook account, then temporarily. Just continue, then 7 days temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.